As you can see, this is the configuration, machine data, network information of the machine. Okay. And here we're going to run a short program just to see how the machine runs. The part itself has already been ran on the machine. So as of now, I'm just showing you what it can do. And right now it's going to call out tool 13, which is a 750 3-flute end mill running at 7,000 RPM. And I'll just let it run for a few minutes. And here we go at 7,000 RPM. Alright, turn off that coolant. This is basically just to demonstrate how it moves. Right now it's only running at about 120 inches per minute. The machine itself is pretty quiet. It is a high-speed machining. The machine itself is a VF-6 Super Speed, VF-6SS. It's recommended for aluminum, but if you was to choose to run steel on this, you would have to run it a lot slower, of course, but then it'll be just as good. The machine itself is high torque, so you could run steel and it can run it pretty good, though it's mainly recommended for aluminum. And I don't know if you can hear the table itself moving. Okay, I'm going to stop the machine at the moment. And I'm going to raise the tool up, and I'm going to turn up the RPM. Well, first I'm going to go ahead and change tool to demonstrate the sound that it makes. I changed it to tool 16. As you can see, it's empty. Now I'm going to try tool 10. The tool 12. Trying to find the tool. Yeah, the pocket with the tool in there. Tool 11. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and call back the empty pocket, which is tool 16. Alright, now I'm going to, you already heard it at 7,000 RPM. So now I'm going to turn it up at 1,000 RPM and go up from there. As you can see, at 1,000 RPM, you can't hear a sound. And now I'm going to turn up to 5,000 RPM. As you can hear, the spindle is pretty good. It's pretty quiet. And now I'm going to turn up to 10,000 RPM. And here we go. $10,000 RPM. Feel pretty good, pretty quiet. And now I'll turn it up to the maximum RPM, which is 12,000. Like at 12,000 RPM. Now I'm going to stop it. Okay. can see the coolant nozzle, it blows out pretty strong. It's programmable coolant. So you can adjust it up and down. Everything still works. One of the nozzles seems to be a little clogged up. I'll fix that real quick. Just gotta find something small just to push it a little bit. Sometimes when you're running aluminum at high speed, it puts out quite a bit of chips, and some of them are pretty small to where it may and may not get into the coolant line. But most of the time, this is very uncommon that it gets stuck. And a lot of times you just push it a little bit, give it a little push, and it'll loosen whatever's in there. Now all of them's working. On these three coolant that's blown out right there, those little three little pipes looking things, you can manually adjust it on that, and then on this one here by itself, that's the programmable one. From my demonstration, it's basically to show you that it's still in good working condition. And the part that we ran, we recently just finished out a part on the rotary itself. And the rotary works just as good. The rotary itself is a HRT 310. And we are done. Thank you for watching this video.
I'm videoing right now just to show how the control box here works, and it's fully functional and works in Windows. I mean, like that.